Examples related to the Taylor's and Maclaurin's series. The very first example what we are going to deal with is expand e to the power x into sine y. Means this is our original given function f of xy. F of xy is e to the power x into sine y in powers of x and y as far as the terms of third degree. Third degree means apne ko expansion we have to write till which step? Power 3, right? And in powers of x and y means which series we are going to apply? In powers of x and y, which series is
McLaurin.
applicable?
McLaurin's.
Maclaurin series. So whatever series we have written right now, this is the series expansion. But this is to be written up to which degree? Third degree, right? So this is the expansion of the given function in third degree. F of xy is equal to f of 0, 1 factorial नहीं लिखा तो भी चलेगा, x into fx at 0, 0, y into fy at 0, 0, 1 upon 2 factorial x square fxx. Abhi now I won't write the point here 0, 0 because everywhere it will be very difficult to mention. But it is understood that whenever I will be applying the Maclaurin series, the value is to be calculated at which point? Origin. Origin means 0, 0. X coordinate is 0, y coordinate is 0. Note down the series expansion properly. Call this as equation number 1. As per the requirement, I will be differentiating them and calculating the value at point 0, 0. Clear? Equation number 1. अरे समझा क्या?
Yes, sir.
Series expansion written.
Yes.
Yeah, now one by one we try to calculate the values, right? First value what we are going to require is f of 0, 0. Function is f of xy e to the power x into sine y. E to the power 0 is
1,
1,
sine 0 is
0.
so
0,
0 into 1 is
0.
0.
first derivative
0.
fx. First derivative fx. While calculating the derivative with respect to x, which variable will be treated constant?
Y.
Y. Sin y as it is. Derivative of e to the power x is?
E to the power x.
तो यहां पर फिर से वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा?
0.
बराबर है? Clear?
Yes.
Now differentiate partially with respect to y. What will be kept constant?
X.
E to the power x as it is. Derivative of sin y is cos y. E to the power 0 is 1. Cos 0 is also 1. What is the value? 1.
1.
Clear? I hope everybody is getting it properly, listening me carefully.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now fxx means fxx represents what?
Double derivative.
Double derivative of
F of x.
with
F
respect
with
to
respect
x.
to x.
So fx is already available with me. I will be differentiating it again once with respect to x, partially keeping y constant. बराबर है?
Yes, sir.
सो कॉन्सेंट्रेट सी एफ एक्स, एफ एक्स को एक बार और डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स, वाई विल बी कॉन्स्टेंट, साइन वाई एज इट इज, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ ई टू द पावर एक्स इज ई टू द पावर एक्स. तो फंक्शन वॉट एवर इज रिमेनिंग इज वॉट, e to the power x sin y. What is the value of it?
Zero.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
How to calculate f y y? It is del 2f by del y square. Del 2f by del y square is nothing but differentiating del f by del y. So जब y के साथ डिफरेंशिएट कर रहे हैं तो x कांस्टेंट, e टू द पावर x एज इट इज, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ cos y इज माइनस sin y. Clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
what is the value again of fyy at 0? 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now one more derivative is there which is called as mixed partial derivative. See, this is very important to understand, right? How to calculate and understand or try to find which to be differentiated with respect to what. Noted up to this, everybody?
Yes, sir.
A
Yes,
mixed
sir.
partial derivative is fxy. fxy में what is innermost?
Y.
y. So concentrate on y. ये y को किसके साथ डिफरेंशिएट करना है partially?
X.
So whenever we are differentiating partially with respect to x, what will be kept constant?
Y.
So cos y constant, derivative of e to the power x is?
E to the power
E to
X.
the power x.
आया समझ में? एफ एक्स वाई का मतलब होता है del 2f by del x del y. What is innermost out of this? Innermost is del f by del y. Del f by del y means fy. Fy is to be differentiated partially with respect to x, keeping y constant. So see the term of fy, keep y constant, differentiate e to the power x with respect to x. So result is e to the power x cos y, value comes out to be 1. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now second order derivatives as per the requirement of the series all are calculated.
Yes, sir.
Now concentrate on third order derivatives. f triple x कैसे आएगा? What is innermost here available with us?
fxx.
F double x is available with me, right? The innermost is f double x. F double x is to be differentiated once with respect to x partially, keeping y constant. So, sin y constant, derivative of e to the power x, e to the power x. उसका वैल्यू कितना आएगा फिर से? 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now f triple y, what is innermost? Double y.
Fy.
F double y is to be differentiated partially with respect to y, x constant, minus e to the power x constant, derivative of sin y, cos y. So what is the answer for that? -1. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. F double xy, what is innermost here?
Fxy.
FXY.
fxy. fxy is available with me. I have to differentiate partially this with respect to x again. So cos y constant, derivative of e to the power x, e to the power x. So what is the result again? 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
fxyy, what is innermost here?
Fyy.
FYY.
yy available है, उसको किसके साथ डिफरेंशिएट करना है?
X.
क्या कांस्टेंट रहेगा?
Y.
Y.
Sin y as it is, minus as it is, in derivative of e to the power x, e to the power x. आंसर क्या रहेगा फिर से? 0. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So though it looks difficult,
सर वो
but
एफ ट्रिपल एक्स
हाँ
सर समझा दो ना।
क्या 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 f
एफ ट्रिपल एक्स का सर।
f ट्रिपल x. ओके, f ट्रिपल x में इनर मोस्ट कौन सा है?
एफ एक्स
डबल
एक्स।
x. डबल x. f double x is available with me. What is value for f double x? बोलो.
E power x sin y.
E to the power x sin y. This is to be differentiated again with respect to x, right? Then only it will be f x x x, right? So while differentiating this with respect to x, y will be constant, sin y constant, derivative of e to the power x, e to the power x. यानी ये रिजल्ट क्या होता है? e to the power x sin y. So e to the power x sin y का वैल्यू कितना आता है? 0. Clear? Is it okay? Yes.
यस सर ओके।
और एक करके बताओ कौन सा कैलकुलेट करना है? एफ एक्स वाई वाई कैलकुलेट करके बताओ फिर से. एफ एक्स वाई वाई में इनर मोस्ट कौन सा है? एफ वाई वाई. एफ वाई वाई इज टू बी डिफरेंशिएटेड विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स. तो मैंने एफ वाई वाई पे ध्यान देना है. एफ वाई वाई कंटेन्स e टू माइनस e to the power x sin y. Differentiate with respect to x means minus sin y constant, minus sin y as it is. Derivative of e to the power x with respect to x is e to the power x. So what is the result? Minus e to the power x sin y. Sin 0 is 0. 0 into any term is 0. Clear? Now substitute all these values in the given equation number 1. बराबर है? Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So is the series same what you are getting after simplification? Kindly note down. After putting the values, so whatever is multiplied by 0 that will all vanish. बराबर है? So is this the remaining term only? Substitute the values appropriately at proper place in the series expansion. And get the simplification. Clear up to this?
Yes, sir.
Is the series concluded? Over?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So the series expansion for e to the power x sin y in powers of x and y is y plus xy plus x square y upon 2 minus y cube by 6 and so on. 3 factorial is 3 2s are 6. 2 factorial is 2. Right? Note down the next question. Expand e to the power x cos y in powers of x comma y minus pi by 2 up to the terms of degree 3 in powers of x and y minus pi by 2. किसके साथ कंपेयर करेंगे? इन powers of x minus a, y minus b. What is value for a here? X can be written as x minus 0, right? Y minus pi by 2 means b is equal to positive pi by 2. Y minus
Pi
b
by
is
2.
standard format. ठीक है? So लिखो, expand it in x minus a and y minus b powers. A is 0, b is pi by 2. अगर y plus pi by 2 होता है तो how it is written as y minus of minus pi by 2, तो b क्या होगा वहां पर? नेगेटिव.
Minus pi by 2.
Yes, yes. So that we have to see appropriately, right? So hint मैंने लिख के दिया है, note down the answer and complete it. Finish up to this. Then we discuss the last example. Noted down up to this. Answer is like this. Series out, what we used is this, up to third degree. Note down this series. F of x is equal to f of ab x minus a into fx plus y minus b into fy 1 upon 2 factorial x minus a whole square fxx 2 into x minus a y minus b fxy y minus b whole square fyy and so on. थर्ड डिग्री तक बोला है तो एक्सपेंशन टू बी रिटन अप टू थर्ड ऑर्डर, राइट? सीरीज भी लिख के रख दो, because that we will be requiring in the next example. Over.
Sir, 1 minute.
हाँ. Note down the series up to third order properly. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Finished?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next question. The last one. Expand f of xy. Y to the power x. It is given as y to the power x in the neighborhood of 1 comma 1 up to terms of second degree or in powers of x minus 1 and y minus 1. The way of asking the question is different. ठीक है? In powers of x minus a and y minus b, या at a comma b बोलो या in neighborhood of a comma b बोलो, one and the same thing, right? Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Finish question writing down, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Now see, up to which degree you have to write down the series expansion?
Second degree.
So
Second degree.
for your convenience we have written up till third degree. उसमें से मेरे को कहां तक लेना है बस result? These many terms I have to consider only.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is value for a here?
1.
Value for
One.
b?
1.
1.
1. Clear?
1. Yes, sir.
Can you write down the series expansion up to second degree as a first step of the solution? ये आपके पास
Yes,
जो
sir.
ऊपर लिखा हुआ है वो लिख लो पहले. First write this. Please write this series expansion up to second degree, and then we try to find out the derivatives as per the requirement. क्या first derivative and second derivative only to be calculated, right? Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, when you consider y as constant and x as variable, what kind of case it will be compared with for calculation of derivative? When
A
y
raised to
will
x.
be constant and x will be variable, it will be compared with what?
A to the power x.
What is derivative of a to the power x?
A to the power x log a.
A to the power x log a. जब y आपका कांस्टेंट है, x वेरिएबल है, कंपेयर्ड विथ x टू द पावर a टू द पावर x. जब y वेरिएबल है, x कांस्टेंट है, कौन सा केस अप्लीकेबल रहेगा?
Y to the power n.
Y is variable, x is constant. Which case is applicable?
X y to the power x minus 1.
X raised to the power n.
How, with what we can compare it as x to the power n? What will be the derivative of x to the power n?
N x raised to the power n
And
minus
x to the
1.
power n minus 1.
ये क्लियर हो गया, समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
Because we are going to require this while differentiating partially. Now what is your original function? F of xy is y to the power x. 1 to the power 1 is 1. Clear? Fx means differentiating partially with respect to x, keeping y constant. Keeping y constant means it will be compared with a to the power x case. So y to the power x into क्या हो गया? log y. But what is log 1? log 1 कितना होता है?
0.
So 1 into 0 is 0. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Fy, differentiating partially with respect to y, keeping x constant, means which case it will be compared with x to the power n into x to the power n minus 1. Rohan had said x into y to the power x minus 1. बराबर है?
Yes, sir.
So it will be 1 into 1 to the power 0, 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now fxy means calculating the derivative of this fy partially by differentiating with x. तो y कांस्टेंट रखना है उसमें, प्रोडक्ट रूल लगेगा, दोनों जगह x है तो फर्स्ट इंटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ सेकेंड प्लस सेकेंड इंटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ फर्स्ट, बराबर है?
Yes, sir.
तो कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू. And put it in the answer, you get the series expansion in powers of x minus 1, y minus 1. ठीक है? Very simple. Noted down the derivatives.
Yes, sir.
This is fxx differentiating. So log y into log y will be log y square, but doesn't affect because log 1 is 0. 0 multiplied by 1 is 0. So this is how we calculate the value. Substitute them, you get the answer. This is the expansion in which we put the value of a and b as 1. बराबर है? तो 0 0 वाले सारे वैनिश हो जाएंगे, बस इतना ही बचेगा आंसर. y to the power x is 1 plus y minus 1 plus x minus 1 into y minus 1. That's it.